Hi, I'm Sophia. I've been doing dropshipping for many years. E-commerce changed my life. With ZenDrop, our drop shipping supplier, we'll show you how you can do the same. Making money with drop shipping in 2026 is absolutely possible, and I'm here to show you exactly how. By using Store Build AI, it builds your store in minutes and you can start making money right away. In your first step after receiving your link, you will see this form, and this is where you fill out your information, your name, your email, your phone number, etc. And then you're going to accept the offer. So that brings you over to the ZenDrop Connect to Shopify section. On here, you will scroll down to Create My Custom AI Built Store. Go ahead and click Continue to proceed. Here it's going to ask you to pick your niche. So now I chose pets. You don't have to think too much about what you're going to do for your store because you can change it at any time. You're going to see a green checkbox. Then you can go over to pick your color. You can pick any color. Again, don't spend too much time thinking about this because you can change it. I just picked around to see which one, looks the most clear. I went with green. And then we're going to get another green checkbox there. And so now we're going to check what picture we want for our banner. And again, you don't have to, it's not set in stone. So you can, just quickly pick anything you choose that you feel comfortable with. And then you move on from there. And then again, you're going to get another green check just to let you know that you've completed that step. So now we're going to move on to create your Shopify. Just remember, you're going to have a new Shopify account in order to get the free trial. After clicking create Shopify account, we're going to be heading over to Shopify. Here you're going to sign up for the free trial. You're going to enter your email. You're going to be entering a password, and then you're going to be creating an account. Here you sign up for your trial, you're going to enter your card information, and then you're going to click an online store. This is where you're going to be creating what you want to sell, and then you're all set. Make sure to sign up for your plan. You want to make sure to hit the simple basic plan. Remember, all of this is done on Shopify. Then you're going to go back over to the ZenDrop. Click next, and that brings you to your fourth step in the process. Access your Shopify URL, click copy paste, make sure it begins with admin, go back over to ZenDrop, paste it, and there you go. Click next, and then you're going to be on your fifth step. So with this step, you're going to be adding the ZenDrop app. Remember, you're on a trial, so you will not be charged during this duration. So in order to proceed and add this app, you will have to add a card. You want to add that information with your name and everything in order to proceed. Once the app is installed, you can now proceed to the next step. Just double checking here. Make sure everything is on my Shopify account. Scroll down, just double check that you have installed it, and then you're here. Back in ZenDrop once again. The app is on. You want to scroll down, get ready to go back to Shopify. You leave Shopify, return back to ZenDrop, and now you can proceed to add your niche. Again, I chose pet supplies, and this is where they start to add in your store items. As you can see here, it automatically came up with items they thought were best for my store. This is all done within minutes. And then you're all set. In order to get it published, you want to follow a couple more tasks. This includes going live and removing your password. Pay close attention here to this final step. So in order to go live, remember we're in ZenDrop. You want to click live, follow the steps. You're going to be publishing to store. So while we wait, just remember your store is your foundation for your business. So let us show you how to build this AI in just a few minutes, get your store going, and build a professional Shopify store. It pretty much took less than 5 minutes. Now look at that, green check. Removing the password does not mean remove the password from your access. It is removing the password for visitors to be able to see your site publicly. So you want to just add an address to your store. Once you add it, you can then change the restriction. The restrict access to visitors should be available for toggling off. And this is done in Shopify. So now your store is open for everyone to view. To finalize this out, you want to make sure to sign up for your offer. You want to click claim offer, and then you will be, again, not charged in the meantime. This is your final step. And publicly, your site has been launched. Congratulations. You can also sign up for the Circle app, which allows you to get free training to study more on your strategic scaling, your marketing, your fulfillment, and other aspects of your site. Look at my site. Look at the top quality products. Congratulations to both of us for onboarding. We have avoided too many apps. We avoided manual setup. And now you're moving on to getting money, making money online, and you can proceed with your training to enhance your business. So if you do have a fear of starting up, thinking it's too complicated or wasting money, ZenDrop is here to help during your struggles. We also have a ZenDrop AI, which helps you during your duration. When you're doing any advertising, you basically can see that it's loading. You punch in your request on your item. I put in my dog protectors. They'll list the options of what product you want to enhance, and then there's your ad. So here we are again. I'm gonna go start my training. Once your site is live, you can definitely come back to our ZenDrop Academy and look and ask any questions. You can go to the store build section. You can also go to the ZenDrop course for enhancing and drop shipping. I'm off. I'm definitely going to go take my first lesson and get started. Thanks. See you soon.